Hey friends, Zenkahuna here. It is day 6,233 days of consecutive primal nature play. So we are out here to do something really silly. We've got this long driveway that goes up nice and steep. And then we've got these nice sandbags loaded up with some steel shot and beans and rice. And yes, that's right, beans and rice and steel shot. It's a strange combination for a diet, but you know, that's what we do. And then we've got this nice long strap that we're going to pull. So we're going to just pull on up the driveway for fun. That's right, because that's how the Zenkahuna clan does it. We make all this stuff fun. Let's do it. So you get the idea. Get out there with your sandbags or a couple of kettlebells or whatever you got. Tie it up. Find yourself a steep hill, driveway, whatever you got. Soft sand, that'll work too. And just drag it. Have a great time doing that. Enjoy using your body. Make it fun. Remember, you're the guru.